Mastering Personal Finance. Welcome to Yuvatamiltech channel. In this video, we will dive into the essential principles of personal finance and money management. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your financial well-being, this video will provide you with practical tips and strategies to take control of your finances. Budgeting. We begin with the foundation of personal finance, budgeting. Learn how to create a realistic budget, track your expenses, and allocate your income effectively. Discover the importance of categorizing your spending and how it empowers you to make informed financial decisions. Saving and investing. Next, we explore the power of saving and investing. Understand the benefits of building an emergency fund and setting aside money for short-term and long-term goals. Learn about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, and discover how compound interest can work in your favor. Debt management. Debt can be a significant obstacle to financial freedom. We discuss effective strategies for managing debt, including student loans, credit card debt, and mortgages. Discover tactics for reducing interest rates, prioritizing payments, and ultimately becoming debt-free. Financial planning. Financial planning is crucial for long-term stability. Explore the importance of retirement planning, estate planning, and insurance coverage. Learn how to set financial goals, establish a timeline, and develop a personalized roadmap for your financial future. Income generation. We delve into various methods of generating additional income, such as side hustles and passive income streams. Discover creative ways to monetize your skills and talents, whether through freelancing, online businesses, or real estate investments. Smart spending and frugal living. Saving money is just as important as earning it. We provide practical tips for cutting expenses, including smart shopping strategies, budget-friendly travel options, and energy-saving techniques. Explore the benefits of embracing a frugal lifestyle without sacrificing quality of life. Conclusion. By implementing these key principles of personal finance and money management, you can take control of your financial journey. Whether you aim to build wealth, become debt-free, or achieve financial independence, the steps outlined in this video will guide you toward a brighter financial future. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance, money management, and wealth building strategies. We're here to support you on your journey to financial success. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.